Don't have to be rich to be cute, girl. Don't have to be cool to do our world. Ain't no but got nothing. What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Keita Boo. Welcome to my channel, Keita Keys of Living Through It. So on this channel we do a lot. We talk about real life. We talk about issues, mental health. We talk about beauty. We review things. That's just what we do. So if you're new here, go ahead and take a moment to like and subscribe. Watch them numbers go up. Look at them. Look how they go. It was like 0, then it was like 1,000. I'm giving you a moment. Go ahead. Go ahead. Click the button. All right. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that little bell, which will let you know when I have new videos posted. All right. All right. All right. So, during this quarantine time, I know we're all trying to do everything ourselves. Like, we can't get to the hair salons. We can't get to the nail shops. We can't get our feet done and all this other stuff. So my 12-year-old is really interested in press-on nails, and she would always ask me to buy them, and I kind of felt like it was a waste of money, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And we end up watching some YouTube videos about girls who was doing press-ons, and I just see a lot of people like on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat really like promoting press-on nails. So I was like, well, let me try it, because baby girl was looking rough, okay? I was rough in these streets, okay? So we went to Walgreens, so you could go to your nearest Walgreens or CVS, and we got a pack of nails, which is the nails that I have on my hand right now. Okay, that's pretty. And the package it's just a small little box like this. Okay, and inside comes a file, and if you want to do them like without glue, there's a little like sticker tab in there to use them. I didn't do that, so I'm not gonna tell you yay or nay on that. And then there's glue in here. We also bought another thing of glue, which is the same brand. Okay, and that's just in case we needed more glue or whatever. So it was a really simple application, which I give it 5 thumbs up for a simple application, because I'm all about quick and go. So instead of spending 45 minutes in a nail salon, I literally spent 15 minutes putting my nails on. So first we filed my real nail, like just kind of buffered it a little bit to make the bed more open for the glue to come on there. Then she matched, there's 28 nails in the box, and that's more than enough if you screw up one or whatever. It's more than enough for you to do your whole hand. I love the fact that it has accent nails, because when I get my nails done, I don't get like one solid color. Like I usually get white, and then this one be like some polka dots or some rhinestones or whatever. So I love that. For just, I think we paid $12, $10. It was accent nails. There's a chrome nail and glitter. I love that. So she buffed it a little bit. She began to lay the nails with the glue, making sure she get the corners and everything. I wish we had did an application video, but because I wasn't sure like how it was gonna turn out, I didn't record it. And then once we did that, we finished it off with top coat. Top coat, because the nails are like plastic, okay? And the top coat just gives it more of that acrylic sturdiness, so like you could do stuff and they're not bending back and forth. I did happen to break a nail. That was no fault of the application or the nail. That was my fault, because I did something stupid and banged my hand, and that nail, it didn't come off, it just bended, and it had like a white crease right there. And then it like slowly began to get that little crack in there where your hair is always getting caught up. So I just took it off, because we're gonna reapply today. So overall, I think it's a great idea, especially during this time, or even after the quarantine is over, when you're a little low on funds and you can't get to the nail shop or you just don't feel like doing it. I literally would advise you to do the press-on nails. I don't think my husband was able to tell the difference between me going to the nail shop and that, and I've done everything. I've washed dishes, I've taken a shower, I've used the bathroom, I've washed my hands, I've cleaned stuff, bleach, all that, and nothing happened to my hand. So for less than $10, I got a full set of coffin shaped nails with an accent, which if anybody knows, like at the nail shop, this nail set that I have would have been at least $50, $55 to $60. So, I mean, you can't beat that. You really can't beat that. So, I'm going to do this pack today. So, because I had a broken nail, I kind of want to start the whole process over. But I'm going to do this pack today, and they're a little shorter, and I'm going to see how long they stay on me without doing it. But for a first time, like, I think it was awesome. I would give it, I probably would give it a 5 out of 5 stars. I mean, obviously it's not acrylic, so you do have to be a little bit more mindful with the stuff that you do. But other than that, I mean, for the price, I don't see a problem with that, especially since 9 times out of 10, we're probably gonna be in the house for a while, and my birthday's coming up, so it was a good way to get some ideas on how to stay current in this time. So thank you for watching. Comment down below if this helped you at all. If you have any questions about anything that I didn't mention in the video, go ahead and leave your comments below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.